How to get a mortgage loan in 2023 in under 90 seconds. Number one, you want to fill out an application and verify the 3 essentials to mortgage lending: credit, income, assets. Step number 2, we want to go through the verification process. Provide documentation to support what you put on the application. Let me see the pay stubs, maybe the tax returns. Let's verify the credit report and what we call assets, which is just where's the money coming from and how are we going to close on this transaction. Step number 3, appraisal. That's the mortgage lender's collateral, and it's also your protection to make sure whatever you're buying, it's worth what you're buying it for. We're gonna look at 3 comparable sales in the neighborhood, sometimes a little bit more, to make sure whatever you're buying, it's worth what you're buying it for. Step number 4, title work, right? Hey, we need to make sure your name is on that deed so legally you are protected and you own that piece of real estate. Step number 5, the final verification. We're gonna send over what's called a closing disclosure, an expectation on what to expect at closing. We're gonna have a human being sign off on that loan, double checking the collateral, double checking the title, and re-verification credit, income, and assets to make sure you qualify for that loan. And step number 6, we're popping the confetti and you're gonna close on that property. What's the fastest we've closed on a mortgage loan? We've done it in 7 days, which is the fastest that you are legally allowed to close on a property. And we even closed 8 days on a USDA transaction where the average turn time is over 45 days. Hope you have a blessed day, blessed week. Let's go.